left y'all. You wasn't gonna see me again. Well, the pandemic got me and I stopped copping kicks. Are you down? I'm back! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Conceited NYC proudly brings to you its YouTube's weekly pickups of the world with Kid, me, Shu, Tron, back again with another video for the gang. Weekly pickups, here it is. Of course, I'm gonna bring back some old joints that that came out before, because y'all gotta keep y'all up to date, up to the new joints. I'm gonna mix and match, you know how we do. Let's get it rocking, and we're gonna start it off right now with the new feats that drop. Bang! The biohacks. Lovely. 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 I'm very glad they did not make these like the undefeated. They need to keep the undefeated dumps of Grail. Fire. This pink, it's just a little girly for me. It's like a hot pink. I mean, but I saw some of the pink laces on it looked fire, so whatever. But I'll tell you what I do think is ill. These joints right here, that neon green in the flaps. I mean, if you got some jeans enough that sit right there and these joints open and they show, that's fire. Biohacks though, who copped them? Like them? Bam! Y'all know what that is. I told y'all I'm still going back. I'm mixing in the old with the new, and this weekly pickup is gonna be fire. Alright? Keep on watching. Trust me, lock in. Bam! So y'all call them Tokyos, Code JPs, Concept Japans, whatever it is you call them. I call them the metallic silvers when they came out in 01, and they came out with the mids in the US. The Japan release, they had white pair, black pair, white and navy pair, and this pair, and that came out with the highs. They were to limited numbers. I'm not sure the number, but it's real limited, like 2,500, 2,800, something like that. The ones that came out overseas. They came out with the suitcase then too. But here's the crazy part. I was gonna cop the original joints. Like I would probably say like 2 years ago, and I was looking. I mean, dating. Like I'll cop it. And then look what happened. The sneaker guards called up. You're calm. We dropping them. You don't have to get them. So I'm glad they brought these back, so I didn't have to drop the duffel bag to get the original pair, and I got these instead. Fire. Keeping the Jordan 1s going. Bam. Satin snakes. Listen, the red on this is so fire. Look at that. Look at that satin on that tongue. Shit. I mean, I definitely thought these joints right here was like gonna grill up because it's red, black, and white. You know what I mean? It's like a reverse version of the black toes. I mean, I did think these joints were gonna grill up heavy, but white laces, they look insane with satin snakes. And I don't really cop women's sneakers. I mean, for the most part, it might be like a couple, like, I mean, that I would. This wasn't a must, but I mean, I got it for retail, so, you know what I mean, and if I'm retail gang, I'm there. Now, there is another woman's sneaker in this lineup that I cop, so can't talk too much because I got enough. But yeah, for the most part, satin snakes, normal Nike box, nothing crazy. Boom, but it's a crazy sneaker. The Sambas. You have to love these joints. You have to love them. No ifs, ands, buts about them. This is another pair I was gonna drop the duffel bag off on. It was on eBay. A dude on eBay, he had a pair for like 700 almost. Another one had it for like 4. But again, sneaker guards hit me. Hey, relax. We dropping them. So very, very happy these joints came back out. Had to scoop up. Sambas, Liddy. This is actually one of my favorite dunks, lows, non-SBs of all time. Yeah, crazy. Now y'all already know how I do. I climb the ladder on my joint. I start off super light, then get crazy. Now we starting to get crazy. We started, bam. When you see this box, you already know it's the 20th anniversary 05 joint. You already knitted it though. Do you know what it is? Most likely not, but I'm gonna show you. Boom. Yeah. So for all the people that liked the brown before Trav hit the scene, these, the mochas. Brown was lit. Brown was like in Jordan brand. It was fire, like super fire. This year, when these 14s came out and the forest greens and the linens and all that, that was like one of my favorite cops. So the forest green was my favorite ones, but these were definitely second. Linens were women, so I already told you how I feel about that. I'm not usually on that, but that was a pair that I like. Do y'all remember these though? Do y'all remember these? Of course y'all remember these. Cinder 14s, fire. Boom. Yup. You should know what this is. Sean Dawn. Gotta show both of these, it's 2 different colors. Throw these on with this. Sean Dawn, thank you, Sean Witherspoon, for these joints. Of course, you don't miss on collabs ever. And I don't think you ever will. congratulations on top of that, and thank you very, very, very much. I mean, you know they come with the interchangeable logos and all that. Sean Witherspoon A6, fire. Get a pair. Woo! Woo! Sean Dawn, again, Sean Witherspoon, thank you. These are one of my favorite superstars in the top 5. I do have 5 favorite pair of superstars, and this jumped up in that realm. These are insane. I don't know how you could dislike these. I can understand maybe you don't like the extra fringes on this, but how? That's what makes it like it's fire. It's different. Extra laces, lit, all vegan material. The tongue is insane. Fire. Sean, you don't miss, as usual. And now, just to let y'all know, this is the friends and family version. Only 200 pairs made. I was lucky, grateful, and thankful enough to be one of the 200 to get a pair of the friends and family. The difference is the eye stays are all white. And on the retail pairs, I believe it's like sky blue and pink. Which those are fire too, to be honest. Friends and family pair. Off-white on an off night. I told you I was gonna have another woman's sneaker, right? And this is it. Bomb! Off-white Jordan 4s. Retail gang! Nice, nice, nice. This was a definite for me. Like no ifs, ands, buts about it. Fire. Woo. I know when y'all see that. Remember, I'm going back to joint because I got to keep y'all updated. Since I didn't do one when these dropped, put them in this one. Boom. Retail gang. Shout out Concepts. Concepts, y'all the truth. Dion, my man Brian, Just, Dean, the whole Concepts family. Grateful Deads. Love this sneaker. Love it. Dang, might as well keep the SBs going, right? Woo! Metacom. Dang. Again, shout out Concepts. Salute. These, yeah, I'm not even like a simple sneaker, like a simple color, but these are just dead fire. It's that all that hair on the sneaker that just make it stand out crazy. These were must. You guys see I have the bed bricks behind me, so these were must for me. The Metacoms. Salute. Fire. I told you I was not gonna leave. I still got more. Just don't go nowhere. You better relax. Relax. Don't go nowhere. Just lock in. We be here. Let's keep it. You know, I told you I climbed the ladder. It gets start off light, then it get crazy and crazy and crazier. How much crazier can you get, Con? Ooh, silver box era. Is that the Nike SB silver box? Woo! Unlucky 13s. Yo, the material on SBs is unmatched, especially back then. Like, unlucky 13, silver box era, red laces. Nothing unlucky about having these, I can tell you that much. Damn. Extra fire. Unlucky. You unlucky if you don't have them. Looks like the 25th anniversary box, but this is the newer version. You already know. Boop. Alright, so you got that. Damn! JBC, Jordan Brand Classics. See, now this is what samples and friends and family and all that stuff are made of. When you make a shoe and then the quality matches up to it. This suede is insane, retarded. He's a fire. Now I know a lot of people don't like lows. And I'm not even really too much of a low person when they do when they have a high or mid and they make a low. But black and gold is a color I like. I mean the 3M on the JVC and the branding all on like under the panel. Crazy, it's insane. Got the Jordan Brand Classic with the tongue. Fire, yo. Gotta have these. Me at least. I don't want y'all, but yeah. Exclusive. I'm about to pull a bang out. Woo! Woo! So collector. Oh my goodness. So collector cowboy dunk highs. These are individually numbered. Insane. This is number 59. It's right there at 400. Payal. Right there. These are crazy. Like, Soul Collector was just like the craziest, man. They had their all their events. The store Soul Bar, which I never been to, but my man Baldwin Twin told me. I wish I did. Their Soul Collector magazines. And now Soul Collector, and I know they own PickYourShoes.com. You remember Pick Your Shoes? Do you remember PickYourShoes.com that had the absolute most fire? best vintage, exclusive, rare, limited, sample, everything kicked for like excellent prices. Those days are long gone now, but Soul Collector owned that website. Crazy. Soul Collector Cowboy Highs. Fire. I know y'all thinking, how the hell you gonna beat that, Con? How? That's like impossible. Well, I got something for you. And this is the last one in this weekly pickup, and it is crazy. Normal Jordan box. Nothing crazy. Hey. Woo! I admit it. You too worried about the bitches. My nigga Drizzy Drake, Charles Oakley Jordan 8 PEs. Translucent sole on that. Do y'all see that? Come on, yo. Oh my goodness. Got the Oakley right there. Now, I know some people think, yo, Oakley didn't wear Jordans. How is this a PE? That don't make sense. A PE, yes, it stands for play exclusive, but it does not have to be a player. Like, you see, Khaled got PEs and he's not a player. I mean, so you don't have to be a player. So these are basically Drake PEs, but to give the salute to Charles Oakley with his time at the Raptors. And just like I said before, this is what separates retail shoes from samples and PEs and friends and family, etc., is when they do stuff like this. Every piece of material on here is crazy. The leather is insanely high quality. The suede right here is super high quality. Everything. This is the way it's supposed to be made. Alright? Crazy. And there you have it. Told y'all I wasn't gonna leave y'all hanging. I had to give y'all some fitted item. You know what it is. I will be back next week with another weekly pickup. Don't hold me to that. You know what? I don't want to be lying. Let me not say next week. Whenever I get around to it. Alright? But I will have another one. Alright? You already know. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.